Is anything wrong with it, or is nothing wrong with it? It seems like something's wrong with it. Artie, are you even interested at this point? Or are you just like, I'm being harassed? Is the squirrel harassing you? Good grief. What's wrong with this guy, huh? What's up? Do you have rabies or something? Or are you totally normal and just harassing my cat for no reason? Are you... What? Are you sick? Are you... I don't trust him. I don't think I trust you. I don't think I trust you. I don't. You seem like an untrustworthy squirrel, which, to be fair, most squirrels are fairly untrustworthy, but you scare me, buddy. Oh. Whoa, and he's off. That was crazy. What was that about, huh? Oh, the mystery.